Welcome Protege to your second MATLAB tutorial. In this tutorial we'll show you the different operators that you can do, which include addition, subtraction, exponents, multiplication, and division. Our next tutorial will show you how to use matrix operators. The great thing about MATLAB is that unlike C or C++ or any programming language, you don't need a main function to get started. You can just start typing in calculations in the command window. So it's a very quick way to get answers. The first operation we'll do is addition, and to do addition use the plus sign, and you can just start typing in the command window and it'll output 15 for you. Notice that in your workspace a variable called ANS, short for answer, is displayed. So if we type in a new addition, this variable becomes 25. You can also do as many additions as you like. And notice that I haven't been putting a semicolon at the end. So the command window returns this answer equals 33. And to run the previous command, you can just hit the up arrow key. Now if I put a semicolon there, it will suppress the output. So we don't get an output, but the variable in the workspace still gets updated. Let me change that to something else so you can see that better. So again, the value still gets updated. You can also do subtraction with the minus sign. It will also output negative numbers. To do multiplication, you use the asterisk. Again, you can do as many multiplications as you want. For multiplication, I'm going to set a variable real quick, x equals 2. Then I want to show you an example of 5x. And MATLAB doesn't like this when you don't have the asterisk there. It'll give an error unexpected MATLAB expression, and then I'll ask you if you meant to add the asterisk in there. So just hit enter on that and it will return the correct answer. You can also do division by using the /. Let's see what happens if we divide by 0. It will return INF, which is short for infinity. You can also do exponents or powers. So 2 raised to the power of 3 returns 8. 3 raised to the power of 2 returns 9. You can do scientific notation by using lowercase e. So this is shorthand for 5 times 10 to the 6th, which returns 5 million. Which you can also write as this, but it takes a lot longer. So I like to use the lowercase e. And finally, MATLAB is also smart enough to do PEMDAS, which, if you're not familiar with, is an acronym which stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, which is the order of operations. So let's go ahead and write an expression So we have x equals 2. This should carry out the multiplication first and then the addition according to PEMDAS. So we should get 11, which it does correctly. Let's do something more difficult. And I'm going to add a parenthesis around this expression and square it. So according to PEMDAS, we'll do this multiplication first, then divide by 2, add 1 to it, subtract 10, and then go ahead and square it. So we should get 5 here, plus 1 is 6, minus 10 is -4, -4 squared is 16. And we get 16 as the output. That's it for this tutorial. If you like what you saw, subscribe below or leave a question or comment. Thanks for watching.